Raya, what's wrong?
Well, right here sitting and seeing my little niece crying over Justin Bieber. She really,
Why are you crying?
She really crying for him.
Talk to me. Why are you crying?
Because she's seeing him in the video kissing the girl.
Raya, why are you crying?
Daya,
Look
why
at
you
me.
crying, mommy?
Why are you crying?
Why you crying? Daya, why you crying?
Talk to me.
Why, because you love Justin Bieber? And you want him?
Raya, talk to me. So
Talk to me,
people could
Raya.
know and I could send it to Justin Bieber. What's wrong? Talk to me.
Why
You gotta
crying,
let him know. What you wanna say to Justin Bieber? What you wanna say?
Why you crying, Daya?
Huh? Come on, mommy. Tell me what you wanna say to Justin Bieber. Come on.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Alright.
Come on, talk to
Really?
me.
Did you make them leave?
Look at me. Look at me. And what you wanna tell him? That he can't do video with girls? Look at me. He can't do videos with girls? No, you don't want him to do video with girls? Why?
Kissing him and stuff? They're kissing him?
Why, mommy?
Speak.
Why he can't have girls in the videos? Hmm? You don't want to? Why you don't want to? Oh, you want Justin Bieber. Tell him. Come here. So I can send a video to him. You gotta say something. Come on. What is it?